Welcome back. In this video, we are going to link everything together by creating a recipe. Please note that recipe management is a premium feature included in subscription packages starting as low as £50 a month. This package also unlocks a suite of other advanced features. You can check our pricing page for the full details. To begin, remember that the dish you are building must already exist as a menu item in the system. Click on Create Recipe. First, you will see two options, Made to Order and Batch Product. Batch product is used for items prepared in bulk quantities like a large batch of pizza dough. In this video, we will focus on Made to Order, which applies to individual dishes prepared specifically when a customer orders. We will skip the optional prep time and description fields for now. Move down to the ingredients list. This drop-down is populated by the stock categories we created earlier. Note, I have added a few extra ingredients off camera to save us some time. Select an ingredient and define the quantity used for a single serving. The unit of measurement here is locked to what you defined in the stock category. You might notice some cost fields are empty. If you haven't added a specific stock transaction for an ingredient yet, the system has no data to calculate the cost. However, for ingredients where stock has been added, the system automatically pulls the cost based on the first stock entry you created. Finally, look at the summary bar at the bottom. Here you can see the total cost, profit margin, and selling price. These values are dynamic, meaning as your stock costs change or you adjust ingredient quantities, your profit margin updates in real time. Click Create Recipe, and you are done. I will see you in the next video.